Have you ever heard a fact so strange that it sounded completely fake? The world is full of unbelievable truths hiding in plain sight. From animals with multiple hearts to planets where a single day lasts longer than a year, these random facts will completely change the way you see the world. Some are funny, some are shocking, and some are simply impossible to believe at first. In this video, you'll discover 10 amazing facts that sound made up, but are 100% real. Stay until the end, because the final fact might be the most mind-blowing one of all. Fact number 1, bananas are berries. Most people think strawberries are berries, but scientifically, they are not. Surprisingly, bananas actually qualify as real berries. In botany, a berry develops from one flower with one ovary and usually contains seeds inside the fruit. Bananas meet all those conditions, while strawberries do not because their seeds are on the outside. Even watermelons and pumpkins are technically berries too. Nature follows scientific rules that are very different from what we learn in everyday life. This fact shocks many people because bananas look nothing like what we imagine a berry should be. Science can completely change how we view ordinary foods. Fact number 2, octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are among the strangest creatures in the ocean. They have 3 hearts instead of 1. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills so the octopus can breathe underwater, while the 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of the body. Even stranger, the main heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, which is why these animals prefer crawling rather than swimming long distances. Their blood is also blue because it uses copper instead of iron to transport oxygen. Everything about an octopus seems almost alien, making them one of the most fascinating creatures living on Earth today. Fact number 3, honey never spoils. Honey is one of the only foods on Earth that can last forever without going bad. Archaeologists discovered jars of honey inside ancient Egyptian tombs that were over 3,000 years old, and the honey was still safe to eat. This happens because honey contains very little water and is naturally acidic, creating an environment where bacteria cannot survive easily. Bees also add special enzymes that help preserve it for extremely long periods. If stored properly in a sealed container, honey can remain edible for generations. It's incredible to think that a sweet food made by tiny bees can outlast entire civilizations. Fact number 4, your stomach replaces its lining. Your stomach contains acid powerful enough to dissolve metal in certain conditions, yet it does not digest itself. The reason is that your body constantly replaces the stomach lining every few days. Special cells create mucus that protects the stomach walls from the acid used to break down food. Without this protective layer, your stomach could seriously damage itself. The human body performs countless hidden processes every second just to keep us alive and healthy. Most people never realize their stomach is rebuilding itself all the time. Your body is doing incredible work even while you sleep or relax. Fact number 5, a day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is one of the strangest planets in our solar system. It rotates extremely slowly on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation. However, Venus only takes around 225 Earth days to travel around the Sun once. That means a single day on Venus is actually longer than an entire year there. Imagine celebrating New Year's Day before the Sun even sets once. Venus also spins backward compared to most planets, making it even more unusual. Space is full of bizarre mysteries that challenge everything we normally expect about planets and time itself. Fact number 6, sharks are older than trees. Sharks have existed on Earth for more than 400 million years. That means sharks were swimming in the oceans long before trees even appeared on land. The first trees evolved around 350 million years ago, making sharks older than forests. These ancient predators survived multiple mass extinctions that wiped out countless other species, including the dinosaurs. Their bodies evolved into highly effective designs that barely needed major changes over millions of years. It's incredible to imagine sharks swimming through prehistoric oceans before Earth had forests, birds, or even many land animals. Sharks are truly living fossils from another world. Fact number 7. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. One of the strangest animal facts in the world belongs to the wombat. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop instead of round droppings like most animals. Scientists discovered this unusual shape comes from different levels of elasticity inside the wombat's intestines. The cube shape helps the poop stay in place without rolling away, allowing wombats to mark their territory more effectively. These animals often leave the cubes on rocks or logs as warning signs for other wombats. It may sound funny, but it's actually a clever survival adaptation. Nature always finds unusual solutions to problems in ways humans never expect. Fact number 8: humans naturally glow. Humans actually glow in the dark, but the light is far too weak for our eyes to see. Scientists discovered that the human body produces tiny amounts of visible light through chemical reactions happening inside our cells. This natural glow changes throughout the day and becomes strongest in the afternoon. Advanced cameras can detect this invisible light, even though humans cannot see it naturally. Plants and animals can also produce similar forms of bioluminescence. It sounds like something from science fiction, but your body is technically glowing right now. The human body still contains mysteries that scientists continue discovering today. Fact number 9: more stars than sand. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth combined. Scientists estimate the observable universe contains trillions upon trillions of stars spread across billions of galaxies. Even if you counted one star every second, it would take far longer than a human lifetime to count them all. This fact reminds us how unbelievably massive the universe truly is. Earth may feel huge to us, but in the scale of space, our planet is incredibly tiny. Looking at the night sky becomes even more amazing when you realize how endless space really is. Fact number 10: the Eiffel Tower gets taller. The famous Eiffel Tower in Paris actually changes height depending on the temperature. During hot summer days, the metal expands from the heat, causing the tower to grow several inches taller. When temperatures cool down, the metal contracts and the tower shrinks again. This happens because metal naturally expands when heated and contracts when cooled. Engineers must consider temperature changes when designing large structures like bridges, railways, and skyscrapers. It's fascinating that one of the world's most famous landmarks is constantly changing size throughout the year. Even giant buildings are affected by simple laws of physics every single day. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing facts every week.